Thank you.
It's a little bit like a chipmunk with all her cheeks filled.
Say hi.
She's very polite. She eats with her mouth closed.
Cheese.
We got a lot of pictures from your fans.
Hi. Hi, gorgeous.
I don't know what the doctors are talking about. I ain't got no HLH.
The girl is curiouser and curiouser. Up to your finger. Good girl. Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Where does the water go? Where does the water go? Over here, Mama. Good girl. Good job.